to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe and well. Today I'm going to make ham and baked beans. Yes guys, I'm still using up my Christmas leftover ham. Again, after Christmas I put it in my freezer and I defrost it as I need to use it. Here I have my ham, have some baked beans, some scallion, green peppers, onions, tomatoes, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and some vegetable oil. Stay tuned guys. I have my stove on medium heat and I'm going to go in with my vegetable oil. Not using too much oil because again the ham has oil, you know, already oily. Let that heat up a bit. I'll go in with my ham. Gonna put everything in the pot. So guys, I just want them to brown on each side. So it's been browning for like 2-3 minutes actually. I'm just gonna turn them over. Okay? And once they're all brown, I'm going to remove them. Guys, so my ham is just the way I want it, so I'm going to remove them from the pot. Now my stove is on low heat, and in the same pot, I'm going to add my onions. And my scallion. I'm just going to let this caramelize a bit for around 2 minutes. Alright guys, now I'm going to add my tomatoes. And my peppers. And I'm just going to marry everything. We're going to get to know each other. I'm going to cover this a little bit. Looking so good. Alright guys, let's check it out. Oh wow, look at this. Looking good. Alright, now I'm going to add my baked beans. And add my ham into it. Look how good this looks, guys. Yummy. And I'm just going to cover this and let it simmer for like 5 to 10 minutes. Stay tuned. Guys, my baked beans is all completed. And I'm gonna have this with some fried dumplings. Again, I thank you guys for watching, and until next time, be kind to others.